there's no food here. Are you cooking anything?
Nope. This is a teaching opportunity.
Oh, what are you going to teach me?
What not to do with your Instant Pot. How about that?
Okay.
You know, it breaks my heart every time I see a photo on the Instant Pot community where someone has done something to their pot. One of the things not to do is to use your Instant Pot on top of your stove element. Now, I understand a lot of people have glass tops now, and it's so easy to use that as a flat surface, or even the gas stoves. I've seen people post that they've melted the bottom of their pot because they've accidentally turned on that element. So number one, do not cook on the stovetop with your Instant Pot. So to avoid that, I mean, sometimes I do put mine on top of my stove, but never on an element. I put it in between all the elements, and then I can vent it up the, what's it called?
Range hood.
The range hood. Another thing is it's easy to forget to put in your sealing ring, especially after you've washed it. But you have to make sure that the sealing ring is on, otherwise the pot will not seal. And to make sure that your sealing knob is on sealing. I know you can't really see the words sealing and venting. So in order for the pressure cooker to come up to pressure, it needs to be sealed. This will keep steam from escaping, and this will keep steam from escaping. Now, I've tried to cook rice without the sealing ring in there. Not a good idea. All the water evaporated because all the steam came out the sides, and then I burnt the rice at the bottom. So don't do that. I know that a lot of people use a cloth or a wet cloth to cover their sealing knob when they're venting. And that is a no-no, because there are so many safety features on your Instant Pot that by obstructing the steam from coming out, you want the steam to come out so that it can depressurize, but when you obstruct it, it can actually cause the pot to malfunction, and you do not want to do that. So be safe. Don't cover your vents. The instruction manual does say do not obstruct the vent. In order to pressure cook, you need to build steam. And in order to build steam, you have to make sure that you have enough liquid in your pot. So especially if you're doing pot and pot, don't forget to put liquid into the pot itself, into the liner, so that it can create the steam needed to build the pressure, and then your pot will come to pressure. I've had a lot of people ask me, I don't know what went wrong, my pot won't pressurize. And my first question is always, well, did you add water? Oh, I needed to add water. So please make sure that you have enough liquid in your pot so that the pot can pressurize. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a burnt mess at the bottom of your pot. And lastly, always make sure that the liner is in the pot before you start cooking.
No, really?
I can't even tell you how many people I've seen that pour liquid in there. Water, maybe okay because it'll leak out the bottom and it'll be clean, but I've heard people have poured milk in there. People have turned it on and started searing chicken right in there. And I did leave my sticker, my cautionary sticker here to remind me to put in the liner. I don't want to say that it won't ever happen to me, because maybe one day it will. But one of the ways I avoid doing that is if I am cooking something and everything is just going to go into the pot, then I just take the liner out, fill it up, and then put the whole thing in, so there is no room for error. But if I'm sauteing, I do have to make sure that the pot is in there, the liner is in the pot. So please, 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 please be safe with your Instant Pot. And if you take care of it, it will take care of you. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and come find me on Instagram. Till next time, be simple, ordinary, and joyful.